Well, students, topic of the video is definite integral by limit of sum 2 to 4 a to the power x dx. Here a equal to 2, b equal to 4, fx equal to 2 to the power a to the power x. So f of a plus rh equals to f of 2 plus rh equals to a to the power 2 plus rh equal to a square into a to the power rh, and here nh equals to b minus a. So 4 minus 2 equals to 2. So this one becomes limit h tends to 0 h into summation r equal 1 to n f of a plus rh. So limit h tends to 0 h into r equal summation r equal 1 to n f of a plus rh. Here a plus rh is a square into a to the power rh. So a square is into limit h tends to 0, because a square is independent term of h, so we can take outside of the limit, h into summation r equal to 1 to n a to the power rh. So a square into limit h tends to 0 h into a to the power 1 into h, a to the power 2 into h, a to the power 3 into h, plus dot dot a to the power n into h. This one is GP series. Formula of GP series: a plus ar plus ar square plus dot dot a r to the power n minus 1. This one is nth term. So sum of this one is a into r to the power n minus 1 by r minus 1 when r is greater than 1 or r is less than minus 1. There is also another formula for when r is lies between minus 1 to 1. Then the next formula is a into 1 minus r to the power n by 1 minus r. Here r lies between minus 1 to 1. So here we assume that a to the power h is more than 1. Limit h tends to 0 h into, using this formula here, for a is first term, then first term is a to the power h, and GP series common ratio is second term by first term. Here second term is a to the power 2h, a to the power 2h by a to the power h, a to the power 2h by a to the power h. This one is a to the power h. So r is a to the power h. So a to the power h whole to the power n minus 1 by a to the power h minus 1. Then a square into limit h tends to 0 h into a to the power h into a to the power nh minus 1 by a to the power h minus 1. We can take a to the power h is here to use limit formula, and here this one is a to the power n. So a square, and this one is a to the power h. A square into limit h tends to 0 a to the power h into this nh is replaced by 2. Here nh equals to 2. So nh is replaced by 2, a square minus 1 by a to the power h minus 1 by h, a square limit h tends to 0 a to the power h into a square minus 1 by limit h tends to 0 e to the power h minus 1 by h. Now formula of limit x tends to 0 e to the power x minus 1 by x equal to log a2 base e. So this one is becomes a square into limit h tends to 0 e to the power h minus a square minus 1 by log a2 base e. So a square a to the power 0 into a square minus 1 by log a2 base e equal a to the power 4 minus a square by log a2 base e. This is final answer. In the next video on this topic we discuss few more sums.